The CAMMOO 1000lbs truck crane is an exceptional tool for heavy-duty lifting, boasting a maximum load capacity that can handle tasks up to 1,000 pounds effortlessly. Its hydraulic system, powered by an 8-ton pump, offers customizable lift height options, extending up to 94 inches to ensure safe and efficient load handling. With the ability to extend up to 53 inches and a 360-degree swivel, this crane provides remarkable flexibility for precise positioning across your truck bed. Installation and storage are made easy with the pre-installed base and foldable boom, allowing for quick setup and compact storage without the hassle of complex disassembly. The crane's compatibility with most small and medium-sized pickup trucks is ensured thanks to its design accommodating ground clearances between 16 to 30 inches. This versatile crane is ideal for various applications, from workshops and construction to agriculture and logging, making it a valuable addition to any professional's toolkit.